Today, we are going to discuss healthy eating and how it can help you stay in shape without relying solely on exercise. You might wonder if it is possible to lose weight without exercising. Well, the answer is yes. While exercise is essential for overall health, you can still achieve gradual weight loss through dietary adjustments. The key is to strike a balance between what you eat and your physical activity. Let's start by understanding the importance of diet over exercise when it comes to weight loss. There are two ways to lose weight without exercise. First, rapid weight loss through starvation. This method might lead to quick results, but it is not sustainable and can have negative effects on your body. So I'm not recommending this method. The second method is gradual and healthy weight loss. This approach focuses on making long term changes to your dietary habits for sustainable results. Now, let's move on to the concept of My Healthy Plate, which is an easy to understand visual guide designed to help you adopt healthier eating habits. We can also call it quarter, half healthy plate. Here is how My Healthy Plate works. Fill one quarter of your plate with whole grains. Fill another quarter with good sources of protein. Fill half of your plate with fruits and vegetables. Whole grains are essential as they provide vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals, and dietary fiber. They help with weight management, keeping you feeling full for longer and preventing overeating. Incorporating whole grains in your meals can also reduce the risk of chronic disease like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers in the long run. Some examples of whole grains can be found here. Things like wholemeal bread, whole grain noodles, bihun or spaghettis, whole grain crackers, brown rice, whole grain chapatis, uncooked oatmeal. All these are good sources of whole grains. Refined grains such as white rice and white bread have been processed, which results in the loss of valuable nutrients. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues in your body. It's essential to choose lean sources of protein like fish, meat, eggs, dairy, and plant-based options like tofu or soy milk. Limit egg yolks to no more than 2 per day due to their high fat content. Fruits and vegetables should make up half of your plate. Opt for a variety of colorful vegetables, especially green leafy ones like spinach, lettuce, bok choy, and broccoli. Fruits provide essential vitamins and minerals, but it is best to consume them as whole fruits rather than as snack due to their high sugar content. You should limit sugar. You should limit fruit content if you have high blood sugar level. To share with you another great secret. Meal or food sequencing is very important too. It is a practice of eating green or low starch vegetables first, followed by protein rich foods and or fat, and you finish off your meal with complex carbohydrates. And it may be just the tiny tweak you need to help you feel full. Sugar found in vegetables is virtually non-digestible and can help slow the rate at which food is converted into sugar. And secondly, protein and fat take longer time to digest than carbohydrates. That means they exit your stomach slower, creating a greater sense of satiety and satisfaction. So by doing that, it will prevent you from overeating. And it can also promote more balanced blood sugar level and prevent energy clash or slumps. Do check out our meal plans from the dashboard.